Good morning, sir. Welcome to Bright Bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Yes. Hi. Um, I need some help, please.
Of course. I'll be happy to help. What would you like to do?
I think I want to open a bank account.
Great. We can do that. Is this your first time opening an account with us?
Yes, this is my first time.
Wonderful. Please come to my desk. We can start the process together. All right, Mr.
Oh, my name is David. David Lee.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Lee. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
So, David, we have two main types of accounts, a checking account and a savings account. Do you know which one you want?
I'm not sure. What is the difference?
Great question. A checking account is for everyday spending, shopping, paying bills, buying food. A savings account is for money you want to keep for the future.
Ah, okay. That's clear. I think I need a checking account first.
Perfect. We can do that. To open your account, I need some information. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me take a quick look. Great. Now I'll need your home address, please.
Sure. It's 29 Hill Street, Green Park.
Thank you. And your phone number?
98765 42011.
Okay. And your email?
davidlee@gmail.com.
Perfect. Thank you. Now I will give you a form. Please write your basic information here. Name, address, phone number, and signature.
Okay. I can do that. Done. Here you go.
Thank you. Your handwriting is very neat.
Oh, really? I tried my best.
You did great. To open your account, we need an initial deposit. That means you must put some money into your account today.
Oh, yes. I brought some cash. How much do I need?
The minimum deposit is $500.
Okay. I would like to deposit 1,500.
Sure, I'll deposit that for you. All right, your deposit is complete. Your account is now open.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations. Next, let's talk about your ATM card.
Yes, please. I've never used an ATM in this country. I don't know how it works.
No problem. I'll explain everything. Your ATM card will arrive in about 5 to 7 days.
Okay.
When you get your card, you must create your PIN. It's a secret 4-digit number.
Yes. PIN. Only I should know it, right?
Exactly. Never share your PIN with anyone, not even bank staff.
Got it. I'll remember.
Do you want online banking?
Online banking? Yes, I think so. But I don't know how to use it well.
That's okay. Online banking allows you to check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, download statements, all from your phone.
Wow. That sounds useful.
Very useful. I can help you register now.
Really? Thank you.
Okay, I'm creating your online account. I need you to choose a username.
Hmm. Maybe David Lee.
Good choice. And now a password. Something strong.
All right. I'll write it down so I don't forget.
Good idea. Just keep it somewhere safe. All set. Your online banking is ready.
That was fast. Thank you so much.
Sarah, I have a question. What if I lose my ATM card?
Important question. If you lose your card, call us immediately. We will block it so no one can use it.
Okay,
And don't worry, we can give you a new card too.
that's good to know.
Any more questions?
Yes, how can I check my balance?
3 ways. On the ATM, on your online banking app, or at the bank counter.
Great, that sounds easy. Is my money safe here?
Absolutely. Banks are very secure. Your money's protected. Even if something happens to your card, your money is still safe.
That makes me feel better.
And remember, never tell your PIN to anyone. That is the most important thing.
Yes, I will be careful. How can I get my bank statement?
You can download it from your online banking app, or you can ask us to print one for you.
Every month?
Yes. And you can check all your past transactions anytime.
That's very helpful. David, do you also want a savings account? Maybe later. Right now, I want to understand the checking account first.
That's perfectly fine. When you are ready, we can open one easily.
Thanks. I appreciate your patience.
No problem. I'm here to help. By the way, is this your first time visiting this bank?
Yes, I moved to this area recently, so I needed a new bank.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. How do you like it so far?
It's nice, quiet, friendly people, and everything's close. Shops, parks, the bus stop.
That's true. This area is peaceful. I'm still learning which stores are good.
If you need recommendations, I can help.
Really? That's kind of you.
So, what do you do for work, David? I'm a graphic designer. I work from home most of the time.
Oh, that sounds fun. Creative work.
Yes, I enjoy it. What about you? How long have you worked at the bank?
Almost 6 years now.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, but I love helping customers. It's a good job.
Is today a busy day for you?
Not too busy. Afternoons are usually busier.
I'm glad I came in the morning then.
Yes, mornings are perfect for opening accounts.
Do you also do loans here?
Yes, we do. Personal loans, home loans, car loans.
I see. I might consider a loan in the future.
Whenever you are ready, just let us know. We will explain everything.
Do you exchange foreign currency?
Yes, we do. Dollars, euros, pounds, and more.
That's great. I travel sometimes.
Then you will find it very useful.
Will I get notifications when I use my card?
Yes, you will receive SMS alerts every time you spend money.
That's good. It helps me keep track.
Exactly.
Can I change my PIN anytime?
Yes, at the ATM or online.
And what if I forget my PIN?
Then you must request a new one here at the bank.
Okay.
Anything else you would like to know?
Maybe how do I transfer money?
On your app, you will see transfer. Write the person's account number and the amount. That's it.
Very easy.
All right, David. Your account is fully ready. ATM card will arrive soon. You are all set.
Thank you so much, Sarah. You explained everything clearly.
You're welcome. If you have any questions later, please come again.
I will. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.